Welcome to Kavish IAS, Converting Possibilities into Reality. Today, in this section of Suggestives, we shall talk about the popular Havanna Syndrome, which falls under GS Paper 3 Science and Technology section. We shall focus on how different aspects of defense and military can impact the health of a common man as well. Points like microwaves, direct energy weapon shall be discussed with special emphasis in this session. So friends, let us begin our session. So, first of all, what is Havanna Syndrome? Havanna Syndrome is predicted to be a neurological disorder which was first reported in the Cuban city Havana, hence the name, in 2016 in a US defense official. It is a set of symptoms that includes several cerebral concerns like visual disturbances, difficulty with memory, headache, insomnia, depression, impaired balance, and many more. Now, in order to find a treatment to this issue, we must know the cause behind it, for which the history needs to be known. So, Havanna Syndrome has been reported in various countries like Russia, Poland, Georgia, Colombia, Taiwan, and also recently reported in Karnataka, India as well. The intriguing point over here is most of the victims are US diplomats and intelligence operatives. This raises a point that why only such set of population is affected by this syndrome. The National Academy of Sciences (NAS) has speculated that DEW attacks, that is, direct energy weapon attacks, presumably by the Cuban military, have imparted such long-term cerebral complications. Whereas, some medical experts in the US have totally debunked this theory, calling the syndrome a psychological illness amplified by widespread fear of being traumatized. Now, what is DEW? Direct energy weapon aims highly focused energy in the form of sonic, laser, or mostly microwaves at the target. Just a 2-second burst can heat the skin to 130 degree from the normal 98 degree Fahrenheit, forcing the target to run. Currently, US is working on this DEW project called the ADS or Active Denial System. So what are microwaves? These are the electromagnetic waves with the wavelength of the size of B to an adult human. Those with higher wavelengths can reach up to the Earth's surface from the Sun, while the rest cannot. These microwaves have a special property. They can heat up water molecule. So anything that has water in it can be warmed using such waves. That's why they are used to cook or warm up the food and can also be employed to target a human as well. Now, what is India doing with this technology? The Defense R&D Organization is working on the Durga project, that is, Directionally Unrestricted Ray Gun Array, which is set to be integrated with sea, air, and land-based platforms as well. But with reports such as Havanna Syndrome, there could be a deceleration in the employment of DEW in the future. Also, we must consider the human health and other environmental hazards that can be implicated by such military weapons. In the end, if you have any doubts or if you need any kind of clarification regarding this topic or any other topic, please feel free to contact us in this given number. You can also write your points in the chat box given below. If you need any kind of assistance for coaching or mentorship for UPSC exams, you can contact us for the same as well. We have 2 centers, one in North Kolkata near the VIP Road, Haldiram, another one in South Kolkata, Hazra Road. Till then, practice well, study well, and have a nice day. Thank you.